Everyone, welcome back to my online teaching platform. I have posted this question earlier, so I would like us to find a solution to it. Now we are to find the limit of the expression 3 divided by x squared or divided by 2 over x squared plus 105 divided by x as its input x approaches 0. Now how do we go about this? Now you could see that anytime when you substitute 0 into this expression, it will render it undefined. So there's no need for you to substitute 0 into the expression. The best way to evaluate this is to identify the variable with the highest power. So let us do that and see what will happen. So let us look at the variables with the highest power. So you can see that here we have x squared, here we have x squared, and here we have just x. So the one with the highest power will be x squared. So we are going to simplify the expression using x squared to multiply through. Now you can see that when you divide through by x squared, you cannot get rid of the x squared. So the best way to get rid of the x squared, so that when you substitute a 0 into the expression becomes defined, is to multiply through by the x with the highest power. So we are going to multiply each of the terms in the expression by x squared. So that's what we are supposed to do now. Let's look at it. So we are going to get lim as x approaches 0. Then we are going to now write down our numerator. So here will be you have 3 over x squared x squared all over, you also have 2 over x squared, then plus 105 divided by x. Right. So this is what you are supposed to do. You will now multiply through by x squared. So that's what you will do now. So here will be x squared. So you are going to multiply everything here by x squared. All right. But I think if this one will not be okay for them, this is what you do. Let us remove the bracket. You see that this one looks a bit complex, so let me remove the bracket. All right, so you can use this approach. When you multiply each of them by x squared, when you get to this side, it's going to be by x squared. And here to, so let me use the red so that we can differentiate. So look at it very well. So you multiply through by x squared. Here to, you can multiply through by x squared. Then here to multiply through by x squared. All right. So let us continue. So this will give us lim as x approaches 0. So you could say that when you work on this one, this cancels this. So we are left with only 3. When you take this one as well, this also cancels this, so we are left with 2. Now here, x divides itself 1. Then here is left with x, so we are left with xy. And the x will multiply the 105, so it becomes 105x. So let's just continue. So we are going to get the numerator to be 3. So here will be 3. And divided by, we have here to be 2, because 2 over x squared multiplying x squared will give us 2. Then we are left with plus 105x. So we have now simplified it. All right. So we can now substitute 0 into the expression. So let's bring our equal to sign as we are answering the question. So here will be now, which will be equal to 0. Here will become 3 over 2 plus 105 multiplying 0. So we are now going to get 3 out of 2 plus 0. So at the end, we are getting 3 divided by 2 as the limiting value of the expression as its input x approaches 0. So that is the answer for this particular. This is the solution for this particular problem, or the answer for this particular problem. All right. So we now have it here to be the final answer. Bye.